Welcome back, YouTubers. Now, we're dealing with loosening up a ratchet Gucci belt that has been size hacked. Alright, before I was interrupted. We are loosening up a size hacked Gucci ratchet belt. Alright, you see it on me, right? You see it? It won't move. See, you see the size hacking? It's perfect. It works. Size hacking, the ratchet belt works. Alright, now we want to loosen it. You hold the release button, right? Hold the release button. Then you pull the belt a little tighter. After sucking in your gut, then you pull the belt right past the rut that the release button was on. And you loosen the belt up and you take the belt off. And it's that simple. So I don't want to hear about no cases being built up, because I done thought of every flaw. That's right, I thought of every flaw. You can't get the belt stuck on you. Just suck in your gut and loosen up the belt and then take the belt off you. It's that simple. Thank you very much, YouTubers. Father Yah, out.